guys, so today is the day when we demolish this van. We're gonna try to do it in one day, but right now I'm gonna do a mini tour as I promised, so you can have an idea what this van looks like. All right, so ignore the mess because we took almost everything out. All right, so this is kind of it. Bigger kitchen than I had. Everything is bigger and better. So this is the shower slash toilet. Here we're trying to get rid of the water that we have right now. In here we had the hanging clothes, and then the fridge that I never had in my van is in here. And this is the most horrible and uncomfortable bed ever. I'm gonna demonstrate a little bit how it works and why it was so uncomfortable to have it and to live in with it. And this is the back. Oh shit. Oh, great. Amazing. Wow. Gas, water, and everything else. I'm not gonna go into details because I am completely incompetent to explain the electrical and water and everything else stuff. So yeah, we'll come back to that later. All right, so this is where we got today. It's way far from what we expected, but in our defense, we started at 4 p.m. so we did a pretty good job. We took almost all of the electric stuff, the bed, and the whole garage thing. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Alright, so we're gonna throw the wall paneling in the garbage yet. We're gonna try to recycle it and put it on the ceiling. We'll see if that's gonna work out. And also, I completely forgot to mention that this van is a 2019 Ford Transit. White. Yeah, now we have a problem taking this thing off. We're gonna get Alright, I think we're done for today. I don't know what I thought that we're gonna do this whole thing in one day. So stupid. Yeah, we're gonna clean this up and leave, and I think we'll finish tomorrow. The end of day number 2. Mission destruction, day number 3. So in order for us to take this off... Can you stop talking? Someone has to go under and, I don't know, unscrew it or... But yeah, it was not me who went there. gross. Alright, so as you can see, there was a lot of leakings. Probably because was the shower area, and then this is where the water tank was. We're gonna try to fix it in the next version of this van. So in Vova's defense, this was his first van conversion. My van was the second. Now we know what mistakes not to commit again. We're gonna see if there's any rust under the whole thing. Hopefully not. Okay, so good news and good news. Yeah. I'm not talking to you. The first good news is that there is no rust. Everything is clean, which is a very, very good sign. The second good news is that we're almost done. I'm tired. We're both tired. But tomorrow we're gonna take down these walls. I think we're probably gonna leave the ceiling. I'm not sure. Nice angle. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna take this down and we're all done. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is day 4 of the demolition process. We definitely thought it was gonna take less than that, but here we are. We have a few more things to do just to take off the insulation and we're done. Also today we're gonna take the measurements for the whole build. So we're still debating on the floor and the ceiling. So if you guys have any suggestions about that, I will appreciate them. We can always use some help. Okay, so that's a wrap on this episode. We're not in Hollywood. Again, if you have any suggestions about ceiling and the floors, leave them down below, or anything else. At this point, doesn't matter. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!